Rinsan pen idok sa penya da ka Jantia Bodybuilding and Fitness Association da ka jingkershan lang ka Meghalaya Bodybuilding and Fitness Association bat ka World Fitness Association ka tip kum ka Mr. Ironman Amateur Arhaja Arpsa Fort All Meghalaya Amateur Bodybuilding Championship kalapoi syaka bakut haka ni kasisa jan jangka khat sautrik unailur Arhaja Arpsa ha District Library Auditorium Minthong Jowai. Yakanam jam haka overall winner Mr. Ironman Amateur Bodybuilding Championship Arhaja Arpsa la yora sanan da Pyrkhatlang Khongwir na ka Strength Cam and Fitness Shillong. Yakanam overall winner Men's Physique Championship Arhaja Arpsa la yora da Aristotle L Rinja na ka Body Zoo Gym Shillong. Katba haka Women's Fitness Championship la job da ka Monica Ringklem na ka Body Mass and Fitness Gym Panelier Jowai. Yaki kusnam si ginong job la sam da kongsan haka ni kasngi uma wailat miki shila ubadeiru MLA ka Jowai daloy ka ilaka Jowai ma Puraman Kinjing District Sports Officer ka West Giant Hills District ma ki pasa kinongkit kam ka Meghalaya Bodybuilding and Fitness Association na lor kiwe de. Na kaliang President usamla Yosar Kinjing ulayat hu baka thong man pelong yakani karansan kalong shibenta man ayman siem yaki khon samla ka rilum jantia bakin mi shakhamat pan panpau pathai yala ka met ka phat bakidan hakum kini kiransan pen idoksa.
Bro. Yeah. Strong point, bro. Mark. Lad, come on. Lad, come on. Yeah.
Good, you're right.
Oh, good. Yes, lad, good. Good. Hey.
Okay, now face. Just focus on the abs and don't close the muscles. Face forward, all of you. Yeah.
Come on, pa. Hamki lah, hamki. Kelar hamki. Alat, dia kemar bau tua. Benar, Brian.
So we were sharing this same. So we were discussing regarding this. So that's why we were planning that. I also was telling him that we should press on this, and then we'll try to open more of the weightlifting space. Because it's already, gym is already there, so if we can add just a small space, so that will help our many of our youth. So that is my suggestion from my end, and from the government side, especially in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister and our Sport Minister, we are trying our level best, and as you know, so I'd like to appeal you. And there are many, but which I don't want to take much of your time, because I hope that all the participants, they are eagerly waiting for the program to start. So with this few words, once again, I'd like to congratulate especially my dear friend Yosar Mundin. Thank you very much, and like I mentioned that because of your efforts, we could see that many of our youths now, they are able to get employment. So once again, you are an example to other people of the district. So once again, I would like to thank the Association of the Meghalaya Building Association for coming here and for encouraging us all here today. So with these few words, once again, thank you very much.
Enjoy World Fitness Federation and Raja Pra di Jogja Mesti India Raja Kedai mana pushmak akan video award dari sistem di first place yang bersuci itu bersedia dalam Euro di International Awards tiba di Bodybuilders Jowai di Yon ada second place ada Mr. Universe sedang ajar atau dengan pada yang champion di 2006 Bodybuilding yo ada Mr. Asia yo Bodybuilding yo ya Pyrkhatlang